Hello, my name is Noah Adofina, and this is my Project 3 for the Headstarter Fellowship. What I've created is an AI chat support bot. It is trained to act as a Headstarter customer support. Its responses are generated using OpenAI's API. It also includes streamed responses, so it um, updates its message as it loads its response. So you can type in this box and send your messages and it'll respond. Hello, welcome to Headstarter's customer support. How can I assist you today? What is Headstarter? As you can see, it generates its response and it tells you exactly what Headstarter is, what it does, what it helps with. You can even ask it questions like, how do I update my billing information? And it'll give you steps to do that. Will you expand on that? Gives you a longer response with more detailed information. Yeah, so this is my project. I had fun making it. Thank you so much for watching.